Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying the legacy pose module is active. This ensures compatibility and prevents unpredictable behavior. Once done, create a backup of your rig so you can revert if adjustments break skin weights. Next, enter pose mode and lock the root transform to isolate changes. You do this because locking prevents drift and makes incremental edits safer. Now position major limbs roughly where you want them. This first round sets proportions and reduces the need for major later corrections. You refine the pose by working from major joints to fine details, because large corrections early prevent cumulative errors later. When switching FK and IK, always key both systems first so the solver interpolates cleanly. Once done, nudge joint offsets in small increments. This maintains natural anatomy and avoids snapping. Make blended keys for transitions and scrub playback at 24 or 30 frames per second to validate motion. If something looks off, iterate on timing before altering joint hierarchies. You finalize by baking the pose into animation keys or saving it as a preset so it's reproducible across scenes. Then inspect deformations at extreme ranges to ensure skin weights hold up. Fix paint where vertices collapse. Once done, run a final playback and export a test clip. If you see jitter or pop, retime the offending keys and confirm no hidden transforms remain locked incorrectly. A single troubleshooting tip: if motion jitters, rebake after toggling FK/IK, and that usually resolves solve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.